I just woke up and I have heard the craziest sounds. It's 4:26 in the morning.
Hey, what is that sound?
I have no idea. Do you hear that?
I do hear it. It's freaking me out. I just got a text from Lynn. She asked if we can hear the sounds.
My gosh, this is crazy. My heart's beating like crazy right now. It sounds like it's coming from outside, from like everywhere all at the same time. What is that? That is crazy.
No idea.
You know, I've been reading up on this. This has been all over YouTube. It's been on Facebook. This is those unexplained sounds we're talking about. I guarantee it's the aliens. The aliens are coming. I guarantee it. They're not gonna take us without a fight. Come on. Let's get them. Carson. Hey, get up. Aliens are here.
You serious?
I'm dead serious. Get your rifle. Lock and load. This isn't a drill. Katie, what are you doing?
Praying.
It's not time for praying. It's time for action. Get your rifle. Get your real rifle. We're fighting aliens.
Ready.
You ready? All right, kids. Just like we practiced. Remember, aim right for center mass. Aim little, miss little. Wait till they get close. From what I've read, these aliens are really strong and powerful. Okay? Shoot them twice or 3 times if you have to. 2 in the chest, 1 in the head.
Yes.
Y'all hear that?
Oh my God.
You hear it? Holy cow. That's crazy. Just wait till they get close. Save your ammo. Y'all ready?
Sir.
All right, here we go.